Hey, how's it going, everybody? Martin, Belvoir Auto Spa. So we're reviewing 3D's new Glow product line here. And today we're going to be starting with the wheel and tire cleaner and the iron remover. I'm going to do these both in the same video. Now, the reason for that is, mainly use these for wheels. Now, 3D does already have a wheel and tire cleaner and an iron remover. Their wheel and tire cleaner is called the Yellow Degreaser. And no, it's not just a degreaser. It says wheel and tire cleaner on the bottle. It's just the product name. And then the iron remover that they have is called BDX. So they have new versions of this for their Glow series. I believe they are keeping both. I don't know the price difference between them. But basically what I'm here to see is if these work any better or worse than the other ones. Now, a rep from 3D did claim this iron remover does not smell as bad and apparently might be more effective. I didn't say anything about the wheel and tire cleaner, so I'm going to experience it for myself. I've got experience using an entire gallon of the Yellow Degreaser, so I'm going to see how the wheel and tire cleaner compares to that. And then as for the iron remover, I've used just a 16-ounce bottle of BDX. I've used a lot of iron removers, so we're going to see how this one is. I know BDX does have detergents in it to aid in wheel cleaning. BDX, I think, is like brake dust, something. This just says iron remover. So we'll look at the instructions here. You can pause and read if you need to. Basically, the gist of it, wheels cool to the touch. So it does say rinse thoroughly with water first. Oh no, it does. It says, yeah, okay, so it does say rinse the surface first. So we'll do that. Now for the iron remover, does it say to rinse the surface? Yes, it does. Okay, so we'll rinse the wheels off with both of these just because that's their instructions. Does it say anything about agitation? No, it doesn't say anything about agitation, so we'll see how it does a spray and rinse, and we'll agitate, see if it foams up at all, see if it's got those detergents in it. Alright, let's get over to it. Alright, so the wheel's been rinsed off. Now the front wheel generally tends to have more brake dust than the rear wheel, because the rear wheel, because the front wheels have bigger brakes. So what we're going to do, we're going to let that soak, then we're going to clean the tire off. And on the wheel and tire cleaner, we'll do an entire other wheel. We've got the nice nasty looking wheel. Now that iron remover, yeah, it does not smell bad at all. That's, wow. I don't smell that rotten eggs fart smell. Actually, it looks like they did add a fruity aroma to it to kind of mask that. It is very subtle, the stinky scent, but it is not. That's amazing. I'm impressed. Usually it's really, really stinky, but this time it's really not. That's pretty impressive, so they were not lying about that. Alright, way to go 3D. Now we'll do the tire while it's dwelling. You can see it's dissolving the brake dust like it's supposed to. Get this tire cleaned off. Oh yeah, and that foams up nicely. Alright, now you see what the camera's picking up. Yeah, you can see that nice trail of nasty iron, dissolved iron down there. So yeah, pretty good stuff, and it's only been, I don't know, what, 1-2 minutes? Let's rinse it off and see how it does touchless on the iron on the wheels. All right, not bad. Still some gunk on them. See about the wheel itself, or the tire. Tire is pretty clean. Not getting any gunk from the tire, so the wheel and tire cleaner works pretty well. Let's spray the iron remover on here again, and we'll agitate it. See if it foams up. It's looking like just because it is a little foamy when you spray it out, it will. But we're gonna see. Yeah, this stuff does not smell bad at all. This is probably the best smelling or least bad smelling iron remover I've ever used. Yeah, it foams up nice, so he definitely has wheel cleaning in mind. So good on you there, 3D. These are the first glow products I've used so far, and I might release these videos out of order, but these products definitely are no slouch. All right, give me 1 minute. I'm going to test one more thing. All right, we're going to see if the ceramic detailer works as a spray and rinse, which would be good for your wheels. I know Beat It Up works that way. Let's see if the ceramic detailer works that way. Oh yeah, it definitely does. So a ceramic detailer you can use as a touch of sealant. That's good to know. So let's get to another tire that's really dirty, and we're just going to use the wheel and tire cleaner this time. All right, now you can see how grubby and nasty and brown this tire is. I think this tire is different from the rest of the tires in the car, so the compound's a little bit different, but this one definitely is a little grubbier. So we're going to spray it down. I love how this stuff foams up. The yellow degreaser foams, but not nearly this well. So they've already improved it in that area. Let's make sure this is really cleaned off. All right. And yeah, I do have a soapy bucket of water, but trust me, just soapy water alone without having foam on the car does not create suds like this. Or don't trust me, whatever. Trust me if you want to. I'm not your dad. All right, we'll do one more round on the tire. I do see some spots. This tire is really bad though. I don't see the cleaner really. It's changing color in a couple spots. I want to find something better than Adams, but I just can't. This definitely might be a contender. Oh yeah, look at that. Foam is mostly white. There are a few spots in the tire that are still brown, and that may just be my technique that missed those. But and this brush was like damn near black before. Now it's slightly off color, so wheel cleaner definitely is no slouch at all. And next, some protection on those wheels. Make them easier to clean next time we come around to it. Especially this car, because it doesn't get cleaned that often. Beautiful. All right, let's go back for the final thoughts. All right, so is the wheel and tire cleaner and iron remover an improvement over their existing products? Absolutely, 100%. The wheel and tire cleaner, now granted this is ready to use, so it can't be diluted, so it is going to be more pricey to use, so you'll have to take that as you will. Maybe you can dilute it 1-to-1 like some others, but it is going to cost you more money than using the yellow degreaser. You can also use their Grand Slam, Grand Blast. It's got a couple different names, or the nano pail version, but in my opinion those don't work as well as dedicated wheel and tire cleaners, but some people like those. Then the iron remover, definitely an improvement. I'd say effectiveness is they're about paired with the effectiveness. They're both very effective, but if you do not like that stinky smell, definitely get this. This does not have that stinky smell. I am amazed that it doesn't. They figured out how to make it so it didn't smell terrible, and if that smell bothers you, this is definitely going to be the iron remover to get. So pretty impressed, 3D. And then, you know, their ceramic detailer works great as a spray and rinse as well. This isn't a review about that. But hey, 3D, great job. The Glow product's pretty good. So I know there's been some changes at the company recently, and it looks like product-wise, some of these changes are for the better. You got some great labeling on everything now, so that's awesome. And these two products work well. We'll see how the other ones go. That's all I got for you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.